Hi everyone, my name is Ben Lemper and I'm a junior in Marquette's AIM program covering domestic financials. Today, I will be covering First Bancorp, ticker FBNC. First Bancorp is a regional bank holding company that engages in the activities of accepting deposits and making loans. They have total assets of $7.3 billion between their 101 bank branches in North Carolina and the northeastern region of South Carolina. Their deposits are used to offer a customer a variety of loans, which make up about 80% of their revenue. The bank was founded in 1983 and is headquartered in Southern Pines, North Carolina. First Bancorp has 101 branches throughout different regions of the Carolinas. This wide geographical area allows them to diversify the industries they serve, like the tourism in the coastal regions, manufacturing in the western regions, and the furniture markets in the High Point region. They can provide loans to individuals and consumers all over North Carolina and part of northeastern South Carolina. As a result, their interest income has grown at a 12.68% CAGR for the past 5 years. The regional banking industry has only seen an annualized growth of 5.8%. A large driving factor besides their growth in interest income is their loan quantity in recent years. The Carolinas are a popular place to live right now, and they will continue to be in the future. The population of North Carolina will move from the 9th most populated state to the 7th by 2040. This growth gives First Bancorp ample opportunities to increase their revenue in the upcoming years. First Bancorp has also significantly improved their mobile capabilities in recent years. As a result, daily logins increased by 281% from January 2016 to December 2020. For these reasons, it is recommended that First Bancorp be added to the AIM Small Cap Fund with a price target of $45.03, representing an upside of 18.14%. Since the inauguration of President Biden, he has promised to deliver another economic stimulus to the American people. With this stimulus comes another round of $1,400 checks for eligible individuals. In March 2020, when the first round was distributed, First Bancorp's total deposits grew 16% in quarter two. Another round of stimulus could see the bank's deposits growing by a similar amount, raising their ability to create new loans for customers. The economic stimulus has also increased inflation expectations. This could lead to higher interest rates, which tend to be favorable for banks. The economy in North Carolina, like the United States as a whole, suffered from the COVID-19 pandemic. As the vaccine becomes widespread, however, North Carolina's population and economy will continue to grow. Since 2010, First Bancorp's real estate mortgages have grown at an annual 6% rate. With the population expected to grow 20% in the next 20 years, they will have plenty of opportunities to expand their loan portfolio. Already, through acquisitions, First Bancorp has made strategic moves to gain market share in higher populated areas like Charlotte, Raleigh, and the Triad region. With a growing GDP and a low unemployment rate, the area is very attractive for individuals looking to relocate. First Bancorp will have plenty of opportunity to gain new customers. First Bancorp can offer the service of a smaller bank with more of the resources of a bigger bank. In recent years, their personalized approach has attracted many new customers, especially in commercial and real estate loans. In the past 5 years, CREs have increased at a CAGR of 34.08%. This growth has played a large part in First Bancorp's 200% interest income growth in recent years. This is because CREs have higher profitability with a higher fixed rate of 5% interest. First Bancorp has also hired more experienced bankers to provide higher quality loans. To reach an intrinsic value for FBNC, a 5-year excess equity model was created. Using a terminal growth rate of 1.5% and a cost of equity of 8.15%, an intrinsic value of $48.54 was reached. Additionally, a price-to-earnings multiple valuation was calculated using a weighted average peer multiple of 15.12. This resulted in a relative value of $41.37. Finally, a price-to-book multiple valuation was calculated using a weighted average peer multiple of 1.22. This resulted in a relative value of $38.18. By weighing these models 60, 20, 20, a price target of $45.03 was reached, representing an 18.14% upside. It's important to note that FBNC also pays a dividend with a current yield of 1.9%. The top risk factor for FBNC is the rise of fintechs. Today, with online banks being popular for their convenience and ability to provide higher interest rates, First Bancorp will have to find a way to compete in a sector that increasingly relies on technology. Second, while it offers a more personalized service, First Bancorp has limited resources compared to some of their larger competition. This can make market share harder to gain. Finally, First Bancorp faces significant loan loss if the upcoming stimulus fails to provide momentum to the economy. Rich H. Moore was named the CEO of FBNC in June of 2012. He has been a director of the company since 2010. Prior to First Bancorp, he served on many New York Stock Exchange boards, as well as serving for 2 terms as the state treasurer of North Carolina. Michael G. Mayer has been the president of the company since March 2014. Prior to his time as president, he served as CEO of First Financial Services Corporation. The CFO, Eric P. Creedle, joined the company in 1997 and offers a wealth of knowledge about the team to both the board and management. Due to First Bancorp's impressive growth against the rest of the banking industry and their future opportunities in a growing region catalyzed by technological improvements, it is recommended that First Bancorp be added to the AIM Small Cap Fund. Thank you for listening to my recommendation. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.